Tri State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. This is a Bobcat 873 F Series, open ROPS, just $16.66 on the hours. You know, this is a large frame machine with a nice high vertical lift, equipped with a 74-inch bucket. You can see the rubber is excellent. This is a working machine. Just came off a hobby farm where it had light use. Recent upgrade makes it available. The machine is powered by a 73.5 horse Deutz 4-cylinder oil-cooled diesel. Overall, real nice condition, runs out great. Again, nice tall rubber on this machine, great flotation. Manual bob attach, it's a nice low profile bucket. Standard controls. Here's a shot of our hours, $16.66. Machine does feature bucket positioning, so that keeps our bucket level as we boom up. Easy in and out. These large frame machines are a great choice. You got some bales to move or dirt projects around the farm. Got a 2,400 rated operating capacity on this machine, so that makes the tipping load 4,800 pounds. So you can grab something big off the truck and move it. 2,400 rated operating capacity. Operating weight 7285, so we're under 4 ton. And we're going to equip it with a 74-inch bucket positioning. It'll go out with a full service and an inspection. You'll be good to go. Tri State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 873 F Series, 73.5 horse Deutz diesel. Tri State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Call Jeff 715-781-3940. We're in west central Wisconsin, just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota, north of Freeway 94 on exit 4. Tri State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Tri State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.